Fresh fruit and vegetable growers are going above and beyond to improve the Great Barrier Reef. With support from GrowCom, growers in the reef catchments are stopping soil, pesticides, nutrients and excess water from their farms impacting on reef water quality. The Attard family near Bernard Heads installed technology to reduce runoff. It's been a big water and financial saving.
We bought 2 probes and a weather station just so we could keep a better eye on water usage in the macadamias. It'll alert me if I've underwatered, but I just look at it daily and then run off the graph.
Auschili in Bundaberg went one step further.
So the sensors will start and stop the pumps at the right times. And we're going to put a series of much more integrated measuring systems in there and instruments that will measure sap flow, will measure the fruit growth, will measure all these things. So the computer then will program when and when not to water and how much. So all this will be automated. There will be no mistakes.
They've stopped using sprinklers. Instead, they're using drip irrigation.
So again, all those things added up, probably giving us a 50% saving in water usage. And productivity is higher as well. So not only are you saving water, but your productivity is higher because the plant is in a perfect environment all the time.
The company takes reef protection so seriously, it invested in specialised machinery to sow 12 different plants at once. Instead of leaving earth bare between commercial crop rotations, the ground cover plants stop topsoil runoff and improve the soil.
The soil is like your skin. If your skin is damaged, you get infected and it's no good. The same with the soil. So the main thing with our soil health program is to maintain soil health by keeping the skin on it, and the skin is the crops.
The Stemsons are successfully protecting the reef and their topsoil without damaging their production. They're trialling many ways to get the best results for the environment, their crops and their business.
We've got many sampling testing sites on the different aspects, the different farming practice to try and evaluate the best outcome for the economic viability of the farming operation as well as the best outcomes for the environment. It needs to be a joint improvement or joint benefit, I guess, for the farmer and for the environment. That's the best way of getting change.
Horticulture growers have always had a deep care for their immediate environment. The quality and health of their farm is key to their future viability. Since their involvement with Hort 360 and other reef quality projects, many view the reef as simply an extension of their own back paddock.
50 kilometres from the straight line from here is the Sandy Strait Biosphere. Now that is a UNESCO listed site and we're right on the edge of that. Why would I want to do anything to jeopardise that valuable position we have here? That side is the islands where I fish and catch reef fish. Why would I want to jeopardise that? And I want that for my children. We think about the reef, but it's not the reef. It's the whole catchment. It's the land we're standing on.
For over a decade, farmers living on the doorstep of the Great Barrier Reef have been making changes to the way they farm to improve the reef. Hort 360 has brought the industry together to record these practice changes. Hort 360 shows how individual farms are attaining best management and what they need to do to exceed industry standards.
I believe in our area we do reef water quality pretty well. We're not overcompensating, we're not putting on too much nitrogen. You know, we have a set plan on what we're supposed to be doing, especially within our BMP. So I think we're sticking within our guidelines.
It will be simpler to achieve if everyone is focused on the right outcome, being more profit for the growers and a better outcome for the environment. The Hort 360 project, you know, is valuable in benchmarking, I guess, and recording where we are at the moment and where we'd like to be.
We believe protecting reef is one of our collective responsibilities, as in growers and institutions work with the natural resources.
GrowCom has dedicated facilitators to help fruit, vegetable and nut growers to be involved in Hort 360. an industry-led and recognised program providing a 360-degree view of their farming system, enhancing performance and reducing risk. To be part of the Hort 360 program, contact one of our Hort 360 facilitators or jump online.